I think my role in the series is just to keep saying there's no right and wrong. There's just good music and the other music. And as long as you're enjoying it and you're giving space to your self-expression, it's just good music, and that's it. To break a few myths here and say that I can play the same composition, but it doesn't matter that it is not Carnatic percussion. Even if you were to play the cajon, or you were to just give me anklets, or you were even to give solo, and I can still do it. So the rhythm is completely, it's the same rhythm. It doesn't have to have the form of Carnatic music, and the composition might still sound just as fun. Some of the best friends you can have in life are the cool dudes on percussions, because you name the occasion and they give you the pulse. Whether you respond to it or not, your body automatically will, because that's what percussion does to you. It makes the body and the body's pulse move along with it, and you automatically start playing, so you don't even have to think. Listen to the groove, submit to the rhythm, and it will automatically take care of you. Challenge yourself to keep experimenting, because I think experimentation actually teaches you a lot about what you can do. It keeps pushing your limits.